Hello everyone. So if you want to remove annoying ads on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13, first of all open up your security application, find the top right corner, now scroll down and make sure that your receive recommendations option is off because it gives you a lot of advertisement. Now let's keep on next. Open up your settings. Here in your settings, find ad. You are to use your search bar and find ad. Here is your ad services. Make sure to turn off your personalized ads. Like this, they will be less of ads despite of anything that Xiaomi made right. Now, on your home screen, swipe left to your advertisements. Here, find your account icon, tap settings, scroll down to your other settings and make sure to turn off discover because it gives you an ads. It gives you this ad section, right? Now, the last but not least is to open up your settings. Scroll down to your privacy tab. And here in your privacy tab, you are to find your ads. Now, make sure to delete your advertising ID. I already did that, unluckily. However, there will be an option to delete it and simply tap on it. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.